Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file S-Corp taxes. Filing S-Corp taxes involves specific forms and understanding pass-through taxation. Your S-Corporation will file Form 1120-S with the IRS, reporting its income, deductions, gains, and losses. Shareholders then receive a Schedule K-1, which details their share of these items. This information is crucial for reporting on their personal tax returns, ensuring proper compliance. Understanding key forms and deadlines is vital for S-Corp compliance. For most S-corporations operating on a calendar year, Form 1120-S is due by March 15. If you need more time, you can file Form 7004 to get an automatic 6-month extension. Remember, shareholders use the information from their Schedule K-1 to report their share of income or loss on their personal Form 1040. As an S-Corp shareholder, your share of the company's profit or loss is reported on your personal tax return via Schedule K-1. Distributions you receive from the S-Corp are generally tax-free, provided they do not exceed your basis in the company. It's crucial to pay yourself a reasonable salary, as the IRS closely monitors this to prevent tax avoidance and ensure proper tax treatment. To avoid common S-Corp tax mistakes, always ensure you pay yourself a reasonable salary, which is a key IRS requirement. It's also vital to keep your personal and business finances strictly separate to maintain the S-Corp's legal integrity. Meticulous record-keeping for all income and expenses is essential. When in doubt, consulting a qualified tax professional can save you significant headaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.